Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down at the tyre cut. There's one of your toll trucks there. Heading off down to Bluescope. We're about to film the Bluescope train. So we're waiting for a Doodlebug to come along here, a passenger train. We have 2 carriages on, I imagine. And then the steel horse will be flicking it up to Melbourne. I just took a video of him up close there, and I was going to continue the video, but it stopped just as I got here, so I've got a couple of uploads anyway. So we're at Tybe, so we're about 50 kilometres southeast of Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. I'll leave a Google Map link in the description, and the Google Map link I will leave, the Street View map contains the actual steel horse. So when the old Google Map cameras drove past, the steel horse was on track, and he's in the Street View, the Street Cam view. So check that out. Link in the description, as well as a link to Wide World of Trains. G'day, Mike. So the steel horse is coming from all the way down there, but he's only probably about 2 clicks down the road, so maybe 2.5. So he won't be long, but he's got to wait for the Doodlebug to go past. Bit of this Watsonia is starting to come to flower now. Beside the track. It's not a native of Australia, but certainly pretty common. Doodlebug ahoy! Motor and jack. Doodlebug crawling on down the track. You'll be meeting the Steel Horse Australia, and probably even give him a toot. And he'll be heading around the corner any tick. And there he goes. I can't see anything through my viewfinder, hoping I'm pointing in the right direction. Alright, Steel Horse Australia next. Typical Australian bus stop. It's a fairly new one. Sits outside the new Padua school there, and flick up the road a bit further and I'll give you some road directions. Agent Mulder has a green light. Another green highball. Proceed on track, Agent Mulder. Couple of flaming galahs over there. Probably a pair with its baby, maybe. They pair for life. Galahs. There they go. Flaming pack of galahs. And there's some road traffic signs there for you to be able to follow. Like I said, I'll leave a Google Map link in the description, as well as a detailed description of what went on in the video. Check it out. Check out the playlist as well. Steel Horse, trains of Westernport and Victoria, Steel Horse popular uploads and Doodlebug popular uploads, as well as the new playlist Agent Mulder Music. Here's a little trick of the gum tree. See, people wonder why it doesn't drop its leaves. It's always got leaves on it. See, there's a flowering one. But it renews its leaves and drops the old ones off. They'll turn brown, and during a windstorm that'll just blow most of them away. So we've got the flowering gum there. You can hear the lorikeets up in the tree enjoying all that. There'll be sugar gliders, ringtail possums, and probably maybe even fruit bats. They like to come down on the flowering gum. I've had them in the backyard, so looks like there's some noisy miners up there as well, enjoying the feast. There'll be plenty of probably insects as well, bees and such. So, all right, train time. The rail trail that goes from Stony Point all the way to Frankston, except for a little bit between Somerville and Baxter, which is still in dispute between councils, and that really confuses me because I always thought councils got a long fine and had no problems in deciding who paid for what. Tongue planted firmly in cheek. Cats in spring, Halloween, special, exclusive, the special Agent Mulder. I heard a noise. Check out Halloween specials. Cats in Spring, Melbourne, Australia version. I gotta run. Something is after me. All righty-o. Steel horse ahoy. The devil is that down near the tracks down there? It's a kangaroo. Is that a kangaroo? Caught in a fence? I can't see through my viewfinder. I'm trying to see through everything. That could be a kangaroo caught in the fence, in which case Fox Mulder will have to go down and rescue it, as he is a animal rescuer, wildlife rescuer. I think that's what it is. Black-footed swamp wallaby. He probably ain't too keen on the seal hoss going past him, I can tell you that. The intermodal and some coil cradle. Shit, I nearly fell down the hole there. Cool. So actually what is going on down there is, as I was having a look, there were little shites throwing rocks at the train. That ain't cool. Don't be a dick. You're going to be uploaded onto YouTube. All right, well, that's going to wrap up the old afternoon to night session for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, I filmed the train that we just went past up close. I'll upload that video, and there's going to be no actual on this track, so I'm trying to get as much as I can. So hopefully I'll be back tomorrow, but gee, Thursday is always a dicey day. So, and yeah, he was let's just say Boogie and Jack, and Motor and Jack, and all the Jacks as well. So, all right, that was pretty cool. glad I'll be able to get that. Haven't seen the steel horse around for a while. Like I said, check out the description. And it was kind of funny because I've seen this guy looked exactly like me doing like walking up there doing some sort of weird stuff, talking about cats in spring and Halloween and stuff. So I don't know, glitch in the matrix perhaps. Anyhow, go ahead and invite the like button down to the beach and offer to rub some sunscreen onto its back. But instead of sunscreen, use mayonnaise, mate. Okay, all right. Go ahead and give me a sub too, if you don't mind. I hate asking for all that shite, but it's what you do, and I hope everyone enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in the next one, and that will be Special Agent Mulder. Whoa, 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 and he's out.